Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers for you. In this video, we are going to discuss the uh, how we can execute the selected report. For example, first of all, you have to make a selection. You have to select which module you want, and within that module, you have multiple reports. For example, you want to see the customer balances in local. Okay, so the T code will automatically come and it will show you if there are some uh, uh, mm, variants, then you can also choose the variant, and then it will load the variant for you and execute the report, right? So making sure that your SAP is running, or all you need to do is click execute. So this will take you to the desired report, and it will choose the right variant which you have mentioned, and it will take the download of the desired report, and you will see that your Excel, it is transferred, the data is transferred and tabulated in the Excel sheet properly, and you can see that it is showing you 1 year, that is 2019, okay, because we mentioned 2019 in here, that's why, and the variant is also year 2019, so that caused this uh, report uh, to be confined to year 2019, right? So this is our report. And within the report, you have multiple company codes, or even whatever the company code you have. And then you have multiple reconciliation accounts and the customer, and you have uh, the currency and brought forward and debit and credit and accumulated. So it's nicely tabulation done automatically. Normally, you have to spend much time in bringing all this data in that shape. So it is done only with a click of button, right? So let's try a different variant. For example, we remove the variant, for example. So uh, the system actually keeps a track of all the variants, even if you remove the variants uh, which are recorded automatically by the system, right? If you remove all these, I'm showing you that how the system automatically brings the variant information into this sheet, and then your drop down gets updated, right? If you if you go to the start, and let's change it from FI to MM, and now get back to FI, and then we go to our report. So there is no variant, nothing, right? And this time we are going to execute it without the variant, right? So first thing it does, it brings all the variant information. You see it here. So whatever the variants you have, they are brought, they are listed, and you will find the variant information is updated each time when you execute this report, right? So when you get back to it, so process is complete. So it has done not only your desired report, but also for your further working, it has brought two variants. You can use any of these two variants, right? So this is 2021 variant. So let's use 2021 and 2021, and we execute it. So this time you will get that variant loaded, which you have mentioned through the drop down. And this time it is getting the data of the year 2021. And you will see when it settles, it gives you the message that process is successfully completed, and you see 2021 is ready. So uh, this is the smart use of VBA and scripting. SAP GUI scripting. When you combine these two things together, then believe me, you can do the great things and very impressive performance is possible on your part, and that will impress the people. And your company will be happy, and you will save the time for the users, for your own self, for the company. And with just a click of button, you do enormous things, right? So yes, here's the code, VBA code. Let's see how the VBA algorithm is taking care of this variant management, automatic variant array management, right? So how does it? It picks all the variants which are available and updates it into it and gets them into the drop down, right? So when we go to the view code, this is the view code, and that is the execution. Execute it, right, is the name of the procedure. And we put a breakpoint here just to show that what happens when it updates the variants, right? And when it looks for the variants of a selected report. And if you have not selected any variant in it and you execute it, it is going to stop and it will show you that what it is doing. Yeah. As soon as it it reached here, now it is going to find the variant, right? So since the variant was blank, so it is going to list down all the variants which are pertaining to this selected report, right? So let's put a full stop here, breakpoint here, and we remove this and see what happens. It is now listing down all the, no matter how many variants are there. So it is going to pick each and every. So two variants will get updated into the drop down, and you will be able to execute them, right, in the next time, right? So first of all, it will run based on your criteria, and then it will it will show you in the drop downs. You see, this is the drop down which has been created for you, and these are the two variants which are automatically imported by the VBA system from the SAP system, right? So it's this way we make our VBA talk with the SAP system, right? And it picks up all the variants. You don't have to manually add them into the drop down, so they will get automatically added into the drop down in here. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.